Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make gooey Rice Krispie treats with chocolate. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. For this you're going to need butter, chocolate, icing sugar, lemon and honey, rolled oats, brown sugar, marshmallows, cherries and Rice Krispies. Okay, for this it's really easy. We are just going to put the butter into a pan, brown sugar, and 6 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2, why does it do this when you're trying to film? 3, was that 3? 4. Come on. 4. I'm going to take this off. Oops. And all I'm going to do now is put it on a low heat on the hob until it's all melted together. The next bit again is really easy. In this big bowl I've got rolled oats and I'm just going to add the rest of the dry ingredients minus the icing sugar and the lemon juice. These are Rice Krispies. There they go in. Marshmallows. Chocolate chips. These are dark chocolates because I like dark chocolate. And lastly, cherries. These are cut in half. Now I'm just going to give them a stir around to get these all mixed together before I add the melted ingredients. Find a metal spoon at this point is the easiest way of mixing this. If you get your fingers in, you just get sticky. Although if you're making them with your children, they love getting their fingers sticky because they like eating all the, licking their fingers and getting the ingredients in their mouths rather than in the bowl. There we go. That's that bit done. Now we're just waiting for the butter and the sugar and the honey to melt. While the honey and the butter and the sugar are melting, I'm now going to line my pan and I'm going to show you a really easy way to do it. I'm just going to get my baking parchment, I'm going to scrunch it up and I'm going to run it under a cold water tap, squeeze it, and then I'm going to fit it into the tin. Now this is all wet, it makes it a lot more pliable for getting into your tin. So you just sort of fit it in. If it's dry, it just keeps popping out. And this just fits in perfectly now. You can get it into all the corners. There, done. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour this gorgeous honey into all these dry ingredients. And what will happen as I'm mixing this is the heat from the honey mixture will actually melt the chocolate and the marshmallows a bit. And you just keep mixing in until everything is combined and covered in the butter and the honey. I used to serve these to my children when they were little and they used to always disappear really quickly, because it was a sweet treat. And I always used to worry about what they were eating. So at least with this, I knew what was going in. And that's it. it all down into the corners. Press it down firmly. And next I'm just going to put it in the oven at 190 for 15 minutes. Now this gorgeous gooey cake has gone cold, I'm going to ice it. And this again is really easy. It's just icing sugar that has been sieved. And I'm just going to add, I put lemon juice in because I just like that zingy flavour, but you could just use water. Here we go, I'm just going to put that bit in for now. Just give it a stir. And you have to be careful when doing this because it goes all stodgy and you want it at just the right sort of runny consistency. This is just water, so that you can drizzle it over the top. Look at that. Now this was 75 grams, sorry, of icing sugar, which actually once you've added your water to it and your lemon juice, it doesn't go down, it goes down quite a lot. So it might look a lot to start with, it isn't. And all we're going to do is just drizzle it across like this to make a pretty pattern. Well, that's it. It's all iced and ready to eat. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. I'd forgotten.
I'll just get your mum to mime it and I'll voice it over. Gooey Rice Krispie treats.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making gooey Rice Krispie treats. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making gooey Rice Krispie treats with...
It's hilarious.
Start again.
Yeah.
She's got a grin on. She did that on purpose.
You did.
You knew, didn't you? You heard me get it right and thought I'm going to bark.